Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to update thumbnails using YouTube Studio on your Android device. Simply make sure that you have the YouTube Studio on your device, install it from Play Store, and now go to YouTube Studio. Okay, now here you can see these are the videos. I'm not just showing my own channel. This is just a random channel I've created, and I was just uploading random videos. So let's suppose this is the video. I want to change the thumbnail of this video, and here you can see you need to tap on that video. Okay, on the top right side, tap on that pencil. Now here you can see you'll be able to edit your title, description as well. Now you can see the thumbnail at the top left side. You can see pencil icon, tap on that, and here you can see you can choose thumbnail from the video, and if you don't want to do it from your video, you can also select the custom thumbnail, tap on that, and you can simply select you can see you need to select from this from your gallery. Okay, and let's suppose I want to add this thumbnail. I'm just showing you just as an example. Let's suppose you want to upload this thumbnail as your video thumbnail, and simply just you can adjust. Okay, you can zoom in or zoom out according to your needs and adjust it, and simply tap on select on the top right side, and here you can see your thumbnail is updated, and if you tap on save, it will be updated, right? So in this way you will be able to update your thumbnail on YouTube using your YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.